say morning, Phil?
Morning, Phil.
Today is actually March the 31st and it's Mother's Day. But this video I'm not going to put out until Easter Sunday because we're doing something really special. And I know everyone's been saying to me they wanted to see more of the UK and more of things we do. So we're trying to do a few surprise trips for you. But today, where are we going, Phil? We're going to Willy Wonka?
Cadbury World. Without the children.
Yay! But he has bought a tote bag, so we've got to collect it all with us so we can fill it with some chocolate. So I don't know if we can video. I'm really hoping we can, obviously, because that was the point of today. So as you all know, I love my tea and my chocolate. Yes, I love Galaxy, but they don't do a factory tour. And when I was looking it up, I didn't realise Cadbury's is actually on the top 5 chocolate tours. So we're going to take you along. Hope you enjoy it. So we're just coming into Birmingham now, on our way. And the bit I can't wait for is the melted chocolate drinky cuppy thing.
You sure you want that?
Yeah, but it's got no calories if we're on camera.
I agree.
Well, that's my plan anyway. So come along with us and hope you enjoy today. So here we go, we're coming into the factory now. Did you give them prior knowledge we were coming and to make some extra bars?
I think everybody does that.
Oh, okay. And with this, you can just come on the day, but it's very, very difficult to get tickets. So I booked online and you get them cheaper and you get an allotted time. Now I am a little bit concerned because our allotted time is 1 o'clock. As you can see, it's 12:43. So somehow we've got to park, get in there and check in. And we've got the code on my phone.
I was on time.
You was on time. Oh yeah, I was putting lots of mascara on because I haven't got my lashes on. I'm going nude. But not in that sense, eh? Just my lashes. I'm getting braver, they're getting a bit thicker. And obviously, even though it's Mother's Day, we couldn't come out with the kids because old Hoppy, Savannah, wouldn't have been able to get round here on her crutches and her leg in a cast. That's a new nickname, isn't it, Hop? Mm-hmm. I need to get another job here. Quality laboratory. I could be testing all the chocolate. I could be the official chocolate tester.
It is very busy today.
It's very busy. I'm sure we parked here before. So you've got the Cadbury sign up there on the building.
The original one, yeah.
Yeah. So we're at the car. So this is a Cadbury Factory, and then Cadbury's the milk chocolate, and then over here we've got the Lord Bourneville sign. It's all one factory, Cadbury's and Bourneville, it's all one. Come on, Phil, let's go and do some damage. And if we record as we eat it, it has no calories. Did you know that?
I know.
And, am I zoomed all the way out? And it's all for research.
Oh, that's good.
Come on, let's walk, speed walk now.
We need to, because we are running behind, yeah.
Oh, and it's all purple railings because Cadbury's chocolate colour. Well, not the chocolate's obviously chocolate colour.
That's signature colour, isn't it?
Yeah, purple is like the colour.
That's a funny looking monster truck. That's typical of our taxi.
Oh yeah, it's like the old black cab, isn't it?
Yes, that's right.
But obviously with different wheels.
Yeah.
You'd like to drive that, wouldn't you?
I'd like that, yeah.
I'd like that more than the little low one we've got now. But there you go. And this is the reception. Right, let's go in and register. So this is where you normally buy your tickets. And you've got all the admission prices up there. Now some people just come because they can get the chocolate cheaper. But I think you could just go into the shop anyway. I'm sure you can. So adults are £17.50, children 4 to 15 are £12.85, children under 4 are free, and then you've got your family tickets underneath. There's a cafe over there, and then in here we'll have a quick little look, because you know me and the shop, well, Phil's queuing, so it's a load. Well, you've got the Cadbury shop. We've got all the Easter eggs. I wonder how their prices compare. So £8.99 for a big egg, that's not bad at all. I think they're normally about £10 normally. Oh, handcrafted eggs from Cadbury World. And that's lovely. A crunchy egg, that's got the honeycomb in it. I bet that's really nice. So you've got the big egg and then you've got the bars in it. Oh my word, this is the worst place to come when you're on a diet. Oh my word. Oh look. Now sometimes at Christmas we have bigger bars than this. This is the 850 gram block. It's a solid block of chocolate. If you look at the size of my hand, look how big this is. And we have 1 kilogram bars as well. I'm sure they've probably got some in here. My eyes are everywhere. Oh look, they've got all the sweatshirts, Cadbury World hat. Oh, that's a new, I've not seen those before. Oven gloves, tea towels. You know when you know you're going to end up doing a lot of damage when you come out. Oh look, Easter bunnies, what are these? Oh, the cocoa pod. Look at cocoa pod chocolate. Chuckle beans, oh my. Look at this, oh it's fabulous. The best thing about coming on the factory tour is, guess what you get? You get to try the chocolate as you're going around, you get tasty treats. So yeah, so I'm really excited about that. I'm really excited, it still says £12.50, so we're okay. Oh, I'm really excited. And we just checked in. And what have you got, Phil? Have you got your new handbag?
I like my handbag because it's got chocolate in it.
Ooh, we only just started and we're not eating. And how much breakfast did we have?
Well, I've had a banana and a yogurt.
How much breakfast did I have?
Zero.
Zero.
Obviously keeping yourself for the chocolate.
Keeping myself for sure. So we're in the jungle now. Right.
It says 60 about 30. Comes from.
Chocolate and cocoa arrived in England under Cromwell, but didn't gain popularity until the restoration of King Charles II, when it became popular both at court and with the wealthy.
Mister, have you got paper? Chocolate and coffee. It should say chocolate and tea really, shouldn't it? It says chocolate and coffee.
Or tea and coffee.
Oh, tea and coffee. No, it's chocolate. We're here for the chocolate. Are you a tea dealer? Waiting for a show to start. So what are we going to do while we're waiting for the show to start, Phil? We're going to split one. We'll split one. No, we'll split one. We'll split one. You have to do a taste test.
You're going to have to because I've got to go. And I've got to try and get rid of my gum, which is going to be such a disappointment for you that I can't have any chocolate bars, so I have to get rid of my gum.
Put it in a bit of paper. I'm enjoying this, it's just for you, it's just for research.
Cadbury Factory. In more space, having Richard with us made all the difference. He saw that the quality of our cocoa improved, introduced new products, and even opened a shop in London.
So we're going into the factory bit now. We're in the factory bit.
We are, yeah.
I think we might actually get some samples.
I hope so, yeah.
Oh, you used to be able to see all of that,
If you go further, yeah, I don't remember this, but I do remember being able to see them work.
Maybe it's all changed, who knows? We're actually in the factory. Oh, the smell in here. Oh my word, the smell.
The molds on the wall.
Yeah, the moulds. Oh, and this is just a demonstration, not actually for eating.
Oh, there we go, there's 2 volunteers. No, honestly.
How many of you guys would like to have a go?
I'm fine, thank you.
Do you want to make the chocolate? We wanted to put them, try and lift it up with the bit, and then scrape it up into a pile. So really, we're just
The smell is unbelievable, isn't it? The smell in here is unbelievable. Oh, you've got to have a go at writing. Well, as I've not had a card for Mother's Day, you can write me a card.
Really?
I've not had a card for Mother's Day. Isn't that terrible? Do you feel bad? He's gone red.
Don't gang up on me.
We are doing very special offers today on Mother's Day, you know. Advertising. You could buy off that, that's the I love you on it.
You could,
No,
couldn't you?
£3.79.
I love, what are you going to put? USA. Oh. I didn't know you were illiterate. That's lovely.
I'm quite good, I think.
Thank you.
Somebody else likes it. Thanks.
So I'm going to have a go.
So you've done this before.
What?
When have you? Do you come here once a week?
No, I'm just not illiterate.
That's not very nice, is it?
It's funny because you don't join your writing like this normally, but because it's liquid chocolate, you have to be a bit more creative, don't you?
Yeah.
That's it, didn't I?
Well done. Are we allowed to lick that off the
No,
side?
you're not.
Oh, okay.
See, what I've realised today, which I probably realised before, is
How much do you love
chocolate
chocolate?
comes from the cocoa bean, and the bean
Yeah.
is like a vegetable kind of. So is it one of my 5 a day? So if I had 5 bars, would I be done on the nutrition?
You might feel a little bit sick as well. But I like the thought.
Like the thought. And just to prove me, there you go, cocoa beans to chocolate bar. Well, I know we're at Cadbury World, but you just can't get away from some things. Beans, not dwarfs. We're on a ride, Phil. We're in
love
Disney
rides.
Cadbury.
We are Snow White references. That was very, very good.
More, please. That's you?
It's a jungle out there.
It's a jungle bean out there. Oh, it's a Cadbury Easter bunny. Oh, Phil, there's Cadbury magic and there's a Cadbury Easter bunny. Look, Cadbury magic.
I
Hello, bunny.
know. Chilling out. I think we missed it.
Oh, we missed that. We were both smiling. I think we missed it.
Yeah,
Oh,
we
well.
missed it.
Nothing unusual.
Be an interesting photo.
Did they make us sit in the back because we're heavy?
Well, I've lost weight.
Yeah, so you say.
It's where all the chocolate beans obviously live.
Oh, and the curly whirly parrot.
Don't forget about curly whirlies.
Curly whirlies, yeah. Hello.
Hello, birdie.
Hello, everybody. Ooh, the moo cows.
I know, yes.
For the milk.
That's what gives it the milk.
Oh, we used to have bottles of milk at school. We did. And then was it Margaret Thatcher who stopped it? I think it
don't
was.
know. Oh, chili bean. Chili bean.
Chili bean. That's very... Falling chocks. What's that? That's a chili aubergine.
Very cold.
Chili aubergine.
Yeah.
It's not quite Disney World, is it, love?
Still fun though.
But it isn't. And that's our photo. We didn't know it was been taken. I was covering Phil's face.
We obviously wasn't ready for the photograph.
We weren't ready. We hadn't got our usual style on. But as you can see, as usual, my sidekick, I had to make sure he took his place.
You might as well have just shoved that right up my nose. Perfect, thank you.
I always like to do a bit of chocolate surfing in the USA. Everybody's surfing in the USA. Oh my word, look at that bespoke chocolate shoe. I wonder if it's one size, same price, and as I've got really big feet, I get really big chocolate. That'd be fab, wouldn't it? But you can buy a teapot, you can buy a chocolate teapot for $11.99.
So I haven't seen that.
Oh yeah, but football legs. Okay, this is all the tasting. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my word. Who, like me, would like to lie under that with their mouth open? But you can't be flat because you'd choke, you'd have to be at an angle.
Oh, Mummy, look at all that chocolate sticky.
I've got to go my favourite, which is crunchy, thank you.
Crunchy, you can have another topping on there as well if you want it.
Do you know what? Crunchy and marshmallows sound
Crunchy and marshmallows?
Yeah.
Crunchy marshmallows.
Thank you.
I could have fudge, please.
Just fudge?
Just fudge, please.
So was I being greedy?
Yes, she was, very. Thank you, he was.
Don't listen, you
Yeah.
No, thanks so much, thank you.
So go on then.
I love crunchy.
It's melted chocolate.
Very good.
And show me, get a spoon out. Oh.
Very nice. Ready?
Yeah.
No, yours.
No, I'm not having yours.
No,
I'll have
your
my
audience,
own.
your
No,
audience.
no. Oh, you were sharing. So mine, it's all melted chocolate. Look, look. I mean, seriously, look. Let's do that again. I could actually create adverts, couldn't I? And because we're taste testing, there is absolutely 0 calories.
It's just warm enough, isn't it? Just the right temperature. On that note,
I'm not sharing.
that's the one that we're picking up on the way out. I hope so.
Getting a pair of shoes.
It's an odd pair. I wouldn't get you an odd pair.
So I've left Phil, and Phil's at the till. I'm really evil, aren't I? Really evil. So, yeah, he's paying while I video. I think that's always the best way to go, or eat, one or the other. So, look at all of these. I showed you a bit earlier, but you've got all the cocoa pods, chuckle beans, lollipops. There's all the novelties. You've got postcards, magnets, cars, so much stuff, not just chocolate. We've had a lovely day. Have you had a lovely day?
Fabulous, yeah, really good day. Yeah.
And Phil spent a little small fortune.
Always.
Always. And we've been stopped a couple of times. A lovely lady, and I'm so sorry I didn't ask your name. And then Declan, so hi Declan, he's just come up to us and asked us what we were doing and if we were YouTubers. So thanks so much Declan, and thank you so much to that lovely lady. You made my day. You're the first people that have actually properly stopped me when I'm out and about. So thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
We've been here, we bought chocolate. What should we do, Phil?
Eat it.
No! What shall we do, Phil?
Give it away.
Let's give it away. Should we do a giveaway? Let's sit down and I'll show you what we bought. So then, this is our bag of tricks, but not everything is in here. I'll show you something else in the end. But first of all, I'll leave that till the end. So first of all, let's have a look. So we have got, whoops, it's all stuck together. A Cadbury World t-shirt. So it's that lovely Cadbury's purple, the signature colour with the gold. And it's just a plain crew neck, and it's in a size large. So if you're smaller than a large, I'm so sorry, but you've now got a new 90. So here we've got the Cadbury's Easter bunny with the caramel, and she actually advertised the caramel chocolate TV ads. We've got a Choco Lolly, which is solid chocolate as a lollipop. We have got a popping candy Easter bunny. We have got a tube of Cadbury mini eggs. Can you tell this is heavily chocolate themed? We have got one of the Bourneville classic dark chocolate bars. We have got a tiny little vanilla bunny with vanilla mousse in it. We've also got a box of Cadbury's cream eggs, which are filled with a fondant, and if you bite the top off and you don't put the whole thing in your mouth,
I do,
but it is quite nice because it like explodes, but I wouldn't know how I'd know that. But if you bite the top off, it looks like an egg inside. Then we've also got a magnet, because we all like a good fridge magnet, so when all the chocolate's gone you can still remember that you won the giveaway. And then look at this, look at this. This is fantastic, utterly fantastic. Right, so you will have your own personal dairy milk bar with me and Phil on it. Look,
sorry about that.
Yeah, so we're on your chocolate bar, so we had to do that. And then the last item that isn't actually there, because I've just had to order it, is I've ordered a chocolate teapot. Chocolate teapot. I had to do it, so I put a clip in here, but I haven't got it yet, and I'll be picking it up just before Easter. So hopefully I'll be able to put a still on Instagram so you can see that. So is one of these fantastic chocolate covered teapots, which I will collect. And it's going to have hopefully Karen's USA Adventures on it, so you'll have your own chocolate covered teapot. So that's the giveaway. So what do you have to do for the giveaway? I forgot, he's just told me. And we've also got the Cadbury World tote bag. We've been carrying all of our goodies round in today. So this giveaway is going live on Sunday the 21st of April.
Easter Sunday.
Easter Sunday. Can you hear my little parrot in the background? And we'll be drawing the winner on Sunday the 4th of May at 6 PM UK time. So good luck to everyone. It's open internationally. Good luck. All you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and put a comment down below saying that you're subscribed or you're a new subscriber. That's all. I'll give everyone a number and then we'll use a random number generator on the 4th, Sunday the 4th of May, and we'll pick someone as the winner. So anyone can win, anyone's chance. Good luck everyone, and thanks for coming along with us today. I hope you've enjoyed it as much as we have. and I'll see you really soon. Bye for now. Bye.